How to remove your favorite games from your profile on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click on your profile here and then click these 3 points, and once you're here click edit profile and then scroll down until you find interests. Scroll down, here we'll find favorite games, click on it, remove it and then click save, and that's it. Now all you need to do just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.